Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an epic LEGO set that's perfect for Marvel fans and builders alike, the LEGO Marvel Avengers, Endgame Final Battle. Before we jump in, be sure to check the link below to grab this set today and start building your own superhero showdown. What's in the box? Right out of the box, you get a ton of pieces to build a detailed final battle scene straight from Avengers, Endgame. The set includes iconic elements like the battle backdrop and vehicles, plus all the minifigures you need to recreate epic moments. The 10 minifigures are super detailed and come with cool accessories and weapons, making playtime even more fun and immersive. Build experience. This set is perfect for kids 10 and up who love a bit of a challenge without getting overwhelmed. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and the build itself is rewarding with plenty of cool details. Building it step by step is a great way to spend time, and once it's done, the set looks impressive on display. Play and display. Once built, this LEGO set offers tons of play options. You can stage your own superhero battles or display the set as a centerpiece in your collection. The minifigures are poseable and ready for action, so the storytelling possibilities are endless. Final thoughts. So, if you're looking for a fun, detailed, and action-packed LEGO set to add to your Marvel collection or gift to a young builder, the LEGO Marvel Avengers, Endgame Final Battle is a fantastic choice. It combines classic LEGO building with your favorite superheroes for hours of entertainment. Check the link below to grab yours today. Trust me, this is one set every Marvel fan should have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Marvel hero. See you in the next one.